Hello students, today I'll be starting with question number 5 of exercise 3.3. Now question number 5 says the measures of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. So here the ratio of two adjacent angle of a parallelogram is given 3:2. So what we have to find? We will have to find each of the angles of the parallelogram. So let us draw the parallelogram. Okay. Now let's name it as A, B, C, D. Now the two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. So whenever ratio will be given, we will have to consider as x. Okay. So here let us consider this angle be 3x and this angle be 2x. Because this angle is obtuse angle, that's why we have taken as 3x, and this is acute angle, so we have taken 2x here. Okay, so we will write let angle B is equals to 3x and angle C is equals to 2x. Now we know that the adjacent angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. So this angle B and angle C are adjacent angle and sum of this is 180 degree. So we will write angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Why? Adjacent angles are supplementary. Now, angle B is 3x and angle C is 2x is equals to 180 degree. So, 3x plus 2x is 5x is equals to 180 degree. So, what will be the value of x? 180 degree will be divided by 5. So, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 6 are 30. So, the value of x is 36. Okay, now we have considered angle B as 3x. So what will be the measure of angle B? It's 3x means 3 is multiplied by x. So 3 into 36 because the value of x is 36. So if you multiply this, then we will get angle B. So 3x 3 into 6 is 18. 1 carry 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. So it's 108 degree. Okay. Now similarly we will find angle C. Angle C we have considered as 2x means 2 into x. So 2 into 36 degree because the value of x is 36 degree, isn't it? So here we'll put the value of x. So 2 6 are 12. 1 carry 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 72. So angle C is 72 degree. Now here 3x is 108 degree and we know that we have to find each angles of the parallelogram. That means we have to find angle D and A as well. Now this angle B is 108 degree and angle D is just opposite of B, and in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So if angle B is 108 degree, angle D also will be 108 degree, isn't it? Now angle C we have got 72 degree. So angle C is 72 degree. Now opposite of angle C is angle A. So opposite angles are equal. So angle A also will be 72 degree. So we will write angle B is equals to angle D and angle A is equals to angle C. Why? Because opposite angles are equal. So if angle B is 108 degree, then angle D also will be 108 degree. And if angle C is 72 degree, angle A also will be 72 degree. Okay, as opposite angles are equal. So this was all about question number 5. Now coming to question number 6. Now question number 6 says two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. So here adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure. Okay, so we have to find each angles of the parallelogram. So this is same as the previous one. Let us draw the parallelogram. Let's name it as A, B, C, D. Now adjacent angles have equal measure. So let us take the angle A be x. So angle D also will be x because these two are adjacent angles and these have equal measure. So if angle A is x, then angle D also will be x. So let angle A is x, angle D is also x. Now adjacent angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. So angle A plus angle D is equals to 180 degree. So we will write adjacent angles are supplementary. Now angle A we have considered as x. So we'll write x, and D also we have considered x. So x plus x is 180 degree. Now x plus x is 2x is equals to 180 degree. So what will be the value of x? It will be 180 degree divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18 and 0 we have. So it's 90 degree. Now we have got the value of x. So we see here angle A we have considered as x. So that means angle A is 90 degree and angle A and D have equal measure. So angle D is also 90 degree, right? So what will be the measure of angle B and C? As angle B is opposite of angle D, so if angle D is 90 degree, angle B is also 90 degree. Similarly, if angle A is 90 degree, then angle C is just opposite of angle A. So angle A is also, angle C is also 90 degree. So what we have observed that in this case, each angles in a parallelogram ABCD is 90 degree, right? So we will write angle A is equals to angle C is equals to 90 degree and angle B is equals to angle B is equals to also 90 degree, as these are opposite angle and opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. Okay, so here each angle is 90 degree. So we'll write each angle is 90 degree. Okay, so this was all about question number 6. Thank you, students.